right, we're going to start chapter 12 in geometry and talk about probability and sample space. A probability experience is like an action or a trial that has varying results. The possible results of a probability experiment are called outcomes. For instance, when you roll a six-sided dice, like this one, there are 6 possible outcomes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And a collection of one or more outcomes is called an event, such as rolling an odd number. If I got an odd number, there we go with a 3. A set of possible outcomes is called a sample space. So we're going to flip a coin and roll a six-sided die. I should have wrote die here. Dice is plural, die would be 1. So if I flip a coin, I get tails. And if I roll this die, I get 1. So I've got a tails and a 1. And that would be one of the outcomes. So let's make a tree diagram with a coin flip. There's only 2 sides to this coin, heads for tails. So I'm going to write heads down and tails. So this is going to be the tree diagram. So there's only 2 choices for the coin flip. For rolling the die, there happens to be 6 numbers. So I could get a heads the first time, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And the same thing with the tails. I could get a tails the first time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So how many possible ways could I roll the die and flip the coin? I could get, and I'm just going to use H for heads and T for tails. I could get a heads with a 1, heads with 2, heads with 3, heads with 4, heads with 5, or heads with 6. I could also get tails with 1, tails with 2, tails with 3, tails with 4, tails with 5, and tails with 6. So there are 12 possible outcomes.